Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham and Day. I want to take a second to talk about what happens if the state picks your children up with an emergency order. If that occurs, they should set a show cause hearing within 2 judicial days. You can think of judicial days and days that the court is open. So it won't be a Saturday or a Sunday. Um, but they'll set that within 2 judicial days. Okay, you have an opportunity to come in and potentially have a hearing. The hearing is not a formal hearing. This is not Perry Mason putting witnesses on the stand, okay? That's the burden at this hearing is very, very low, right? It is reasonable suspicion, right? And it is informal in that the rules of evidence don't apply. So things like hearsay are admissible at this level of the hearing. So if your children are taken with an emergency pickup order signed by a judge, okay, you'll receive notice of a hearing within 2 judicial days. Frequently, they will also set a safety meeting, right, a child safety meeting or CSM, so that they can discuss with you what the concerns or conditions to be corrected are, and you know what those are in advance. To be honest, if they're taking your children with an emergency order, you probably know what the issues or concerns are because they've either told you what they are, or you're just aware because you've been living your life and you're aware of what the allegations are. All right, if you find yourself in that situation, you're going to want to be represented by an attorney who practices in that area of law. There are several firms in Northeast Oklahoma that do that. We offer that service here at Parsons, Graham and Day. If you have questions, give us a call at 918-307-1529. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons, Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.